Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys have been well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can mention someone in your Instagram story. So let's continue to Instagram first. After going to Instagram, you can see in the middle bottom icon plus. You need to click on this. After clicking on this, here you can see story option, the second one. You need to scroll it to the right. After going to story, here you can see in the left bottom icon, click on this. It will lead you to your gallery. After going to your gallery, here you can pick any photo or video that you want to share, like I'm picking this. After picking the right one, you need to click on the right bottom white icon. After clicking it, here you can see share option. Click on this. Click on done. Guys, your story is shared but it is not mentioned, so you continue to your story again. Here you can see three dot icon in the right. Click on this. Clicking on this, here you can see add mentions in the list, second one. Click on this. Here you can see your friends and followers who you can mention. So I'm mentioning this. Here you can see add option. Click on add. Guys, the story is mentioned. So this is how you can mention someone in Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.